Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can make a shared Google Drive. So I think it's super simple, just going to open the Google Drive and select the folder you want to share. And for instance, I am going to share this folder, just right click and select share and just add the people you want to give access, and you can select the general access here or restricted or anyone with the link. If you select this restricted, so only people with access can open with the link, but if you select anyone with the link, anyone on the internet with the link can view. So you can also change for the rule for the viewers, commenter or editor for the anyone with the link. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in comment section down below. Uh, you can also click thanks button for appreciate. Thank you so much for watching.